Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to access the voice chat settings on Roblox Mobile and what to do if the option is missing. Open the Roblox app on your phone and log in. Tap the three dots at the bottom right to open the More menu. Scroll down and tap Settings, then choose Privacy. Normally, you should see a voice chat toggle here. If you don't see it, don't worry, this is exactly what we're fixing. Go back one step and tap Account Info. Under Phone Number, tap Add Phone Number. Enter your mobile number with the correct country code, then tap Verify. Roblox will send you a verification code by text message. Enter that code and confirm to verify your number. After verifying, return to Settings Privacy. The voice chat toggle should now appear. Turn it on to enable voice chat in Roblox games that support it. That's it, your voice chat is ready to use on mobile. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips.